So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is the use of performance analyzer in Power BI. So the performance analyzer pane captures the duration time in milliseconds for each visual in the page. For this tutorial, I will be working with Superstore dataset. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, and profit. And in the report pane, I have already made one dashboard. It has category slicer, and in category we have mainly two categories like office supplies and technology, and two cards which represents total sales and total profit. Now let's say we want to find out the performance of our dashboard using performance analyzer. So first thing we have to start performance analyzer. So for that, go to view and click on performance analyzer and click on start recording. And first I will change the category to, let's say, technology. So as soon as I select technology, as you guys can see over here, we have one information. Over here it is saying change a slicer. So we have changed slicer to technology, and we have four visual, and we will be only focusing on total sales and total profit because they are the cards. So my total sales card takes around 238 milliseconds in order to load this data, and similarly total profit takes 233 milliseconds in order to load this data. Let's try one more. Let's say office supplies. This time the total sales took 432 milliseconds and total profit took 426 milliseconds. So as you guys can see, total sales card is taking more time in order to load data as compared to total profit. And in this way, we can calculate the performance of our dashboard using performance analyzer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.